BizWatch Nigeria TV News Briefs. Here are the highlights of some news making the rounds today. I am Lolade. United Africa Company of Nigeria (UAC) and PLC has posted a significant revenue increase in the first half of the year 2014. Interim report and accounts of the firm for the 6-month period ended June 30, 2014 showed that turnover leaped by 7.8%, while profit after tax jumped by 3.3%. Trading on the Nigerian equities market closed on a positive note yesterday after 3 days of losses. The market had witnessed a downward trend since last week as investors reacted negatively to half-year results of some companies. However, the negative trend was reversed yesterday as the benchmark gauge of the market, the Nigerian Stock Exchange All-Share Index, rose by 1.18%, the highest daily gain since May 2014, to close at 42,292 naira 93 kobo. Crude oil traders have said that Angolan crude differentials were steady on Tuesday, boosted by better sales for September loading cargoes. However, prospects for Nigerian oil looked less encouraging. It was gathered that there were only 10 to 15 cargoes of a total of 55 Angolan crude oil available for September loading, around 10 days before October cargoes come to market. The managing director of Benin Electricity Distribution Company, Mrs. Funke Osibodu, has said that about 60% of electricity consumers default in payment of utility bills. The firm's MD, who spoke during the visit of the Senate Committee on Privatization, disclosed that the firm has 1.8 billion naira debts from bills. The United States President Barack Obama on Tuesday announced $33 billion in new investment and financing commitments to Africa during a 3-day summit with dozens of leaders from the continent. The fund, according to him, is to support development across Africa. Nigeria's largest miller by market value, Flour Mills Nigeria, has said that its 2013 profit was affected by high interest costs as a result of capital expenditure incurred in its aggressive expansion. The company's net income plunged by 28.72% to 5.36 billion naira for the full year 2013, compared with 7.54 billion naira in the same period of the previous year. And on sports, we gather that Super Eagles midfielder and international Eddie Onazi is set to be offered a new deal by Serie A outfit Lazio. The Nigerian international was linked with a move to Liverpool before the World Cup. He presently earns €200,000 per year, making him the lowest paid in Lazio. For details on these news briefs, please visit www.bizwatchnigeria.ng. You can also follow us on Twitter at BizWatchNigeria and like our fan page on facebook.com/BizWatchNigeria. That'll be all for now, but remember, to think creatively, we must be able to look afresh at what we normally take for granted.